Introduction problem statement. In the education domain, schools and universities often face challenges in monitoring and analyzing student performance. Teachers need to track grades, attendance, participation, and overall progress for large groups of students. Manually managing this data is time-consuming, prone to errors, and limits the ability to provide personalized feedback or intervention. Hi, my name is Nur Patricia Fauzi. I'm going to talk about the relevance of the problem and the objective. So, for the relevance of the problem, it helps educators identify students at risk of underperforming, and it also provides real-time insight for personalized feedback and save time by automating repetitive data entry and calculation. So, for the objectives, it developed an algorithm that automates data aggregation and generates performance insights such as average grades per student, attendance trends, and performance predictions based on historical data.
Hi, my name is Adena Dini binti Muhammad Sofyan, and I'm gonna talk to you guys about problem analysis. It has three types, which is decomposition, pattern recognition, and abstraction. Let's go. For decomposition, first it has data input. It will collect data on grades, attendance, and participation for each student. For number two is processing. It will calculate metrics like average grade, attendance percentage, and participation scores. For number three is performance analysis. It will identify students who fall below a certain threshold and predict future performance trend using historical data. For number four is output. It generates report for teachers showing insight per student or class. For pattern recognition, the problem similar to automated reporting system where raw data is processed into meaningful summaries. Techniques like statistical analysis and visualization are widely used. And lastly, for abstraction, it will focus on essential elements such as input and output. For input, the students record like grades, attendance, and participation. For output, aggregated metrics, risk alerts, and reports. This abstraction will ignore non-essential complexities like subjective evaluation. Hi, my name is Juliana Performance. So let's start with flowchart. This flowchart shows the step of an algorithm for analyzing and reporting student performance. First, start. The process begins. Second, input data. Collect data like grades, attendance, and participations. Third, calculate metrics. Compute average grade, attendance, percentage, and participation score. Fourth, analyze performance. Identify students with grade of attendance below a certain level and use trend analysis and predict future performance. 5. Generate report. Create a performance summary based on the analysis. 6. And process. So now let's see for procedure code. This is a text based on representation of the algorithm step in the flowchart. First, start. Second, input data. Click grades, attendance, and participation details. Third, calculate metric. Compute each student average grade. Calculate attendance percentage. Summarizing participation score. 4. Analyze performance. Identify students falling below performance threshold. Predicate future performance trends. 5. Generate report. Output a summary for each student and class. 5. And complete the process. Hello, my name is 033317. Now, I will tell about the solution implementations. So, here we go. Here we are implement this in Python.
First, we have the function to calculate the average grade of student from line 2 until line 3. Then, we have the function to analyze the student performance from line 6 until line 26. This part of code is to show the student performance if they are at risk or not. Then, we have function to get input for students from line 29 until 84. This part is to allow the user enter the data of student for their grade, attendance, and participation. It is also allow the user to add another student if they want to. Then, the last part is to generate and display the report. And this is the sample output for the Python code that we have implemented.
Hai and Assalamualaikum. Nama saya Amira Nurin Batrisha binti Hasul Hisham. Nombor bateri saya E202410333308 dan hari ini saya akan menerangkan berkenaan challenge and solution. Challenges and solution. Challenges. Data handling. Real-world student data can be incomplete or inconsistent. Threshold definition. Determining the right threshold for at-risk status. Scalability. Managing large data set for hundreds or thousands of students. Solutions. Solution for data handling. Add data validation step to handle missing or erroneous entries. Solution for threshold definition. Use historical data or consult educator to set meaningful benchmark. Solution for scalability. Use efficient data structure. Example given, dictionary, data frame, and leverage libraries like pandas or analysis.
And that's all for our presentation. Thank you very much for watching.